Guys, did you know tech giant Google is planning to retire Google Play Music this year 2020? Yes, you heard it correctly. In line with its plan to retire Play Music, Google has started inviting users to transfer their music libraries, personal preferences and playlists to YouTube Music from Google Play Music. In this video, we will show you how to transfer account library and subscriptions from Google Play Music to YouTube Music. In order to do that, first open your browser and go to music.youtube.com/transfer. And click on Transfer button to start music transfer from Google Play Music to YouTube Music. Another way is, you may log in to music.youtube.com and followed by go to Settings option. Then you will get Transfer from Google Play Music option. Just click on the same to initiate transfer process. Once you started the transfer, it can take few seconds or few days to complete depending upon how much content you are transferring. You will get an email on completion of the transfer, and you may get SMS on mobile if your mobile notification is turned on. Your uploads and purchased songs, your playlist, your albums and songs in your library, your likes and dislikes will be moved over with this transfer. You can transfer music as often as you want, but make sure each transfer is complete before you start another one. Otherwise you won't be able to click on Transfer button. Your billing information for your Google Play Music subscription will also be moved over to YouTube Music Premium or YouTube Premium. Your monthly billing price and benefits will remain the same unless you are in a location with fluctuating currency. After you've completed this transfer, you will still have access to your Google Play Music account as well as YouTube Music Premium subscription, at no extra cost until Google Play Music gets retired completely. Same goes to if you have a free Google Play Music account. So what are you waiting for? Start transferring your music by going to music.youtube.com/transfer. Thanks for watching our channel Bright Infotainment. Kindly subscribe to our channel as your subscription is our inspiration. Soon we will come up with next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe and stay happy. Goodbye.